is our time now. Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it.
Love, before I met you, I was wandering through life, unsure of where I was headed. I went through seasons of failure and confusion, not realizing that all of it was leading me to you. A love that felt real, certain, and true.
This adventure we were meant for. Every day is a chance to discover. You give me
Una sa lahat, gusto kong sabihin, ang hirap mo palang tiisin. Pero buti na lang mahal kita. Hindi ko rin inakala na ganito tayo aabot from simpleng kwentuhan hanggang sa magkasama na sa buhay. Ang dami na nating pinagdaanan, pero palagi nating pinipili ang
find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
Thank you for loving parts of me that are not easy to love, and that includes my life bruises. You taught me what it means to be loved without fear, to be seen without pretending, and to be chosen without hesitation.
It's shining. It seems the daylight knows this is our time.
Salamat kay Lord kasi maaga nating pagsasama, mas nakilala kita at mas minahal kita. Habang tumatanda tayo, gusto ko ikaw pa rin ang kasama kung tumawa, umiyak at mangarap.
It's shining. It seems the daylight knows this is our time. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever.
Promise to remain by your side, the same woman who believed in you from the start. And now, as we stand in front of the people we love, finally living the moment we've been both praying for, I vow to support you, to honor you, to respect you, and to love you in every season of our lives. Built by distance, strengthened by faith, and proven by time, our love was never ordinary.
It seems the daylight knows this is our time. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever strong. Through it all, the world will face. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
I promise to take care of you, to make you laugh when you're sad, and to be your husband sa lahat ng laban natin. Wala na akong ibang hihilingin pa kasi ikaw na yung answered prayer ko. Kaya ngayon, sa harap ng lahat, gusto ko lang sabihin na mahal kita, ikaw lang forever.